Hi, I'm Robin from Rainbow Gardens, and today we're gonna make seed balls. So you'll need a half a cup of native wildflower seeds, 1 cup of fine compost or seed starting mix, and then you'll need 2.5 cups of red art powdered clay. So now you'll mix your dry ingredients. Then we're gonna add a half a cup of water very slowly into the mix. So I've been working this in for about a couple minutes. Now, I did add just a little bit of additional water, but you want this to be not too wet, not too dry, just very moldable. If you happen to make your clay a little too wet, you can just add a little bit of soil to your seed ball mix and then just even it right back out again. And now we're ready to make our seed balls. And now we have our seed balls. You need to let these guys dry out for 24 hours and then you can store them or cast them. So whenever you're cleaning out the container that you used to mix up your seed balls, you are going to want to dump this in an area where you don't mind wildflower seeds growing. So now that you have your seed balls, you're going to want to pick a nice sunny location. And to give your seed balls the best chance at actually sprouting, you want to see them make contact with the soil. So you could get a rake, scoop everything away, take one of your seed balls, put it in the soil, and then actually push it in with your foot. And that way you know that it has made contact with the soil. Or you can just throw them along your favorite highway or walking trail. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoy making your seed balls. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.